guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslyn Marie, and this is my channel just for like beauty and makeup and tips. And today is going to be actually a hair tutorial. So if you want to see how I got my hair like this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're just going to jump right into this hair tutorial. You just part your hair however you want it. I usually do like a side part. A lot of people really... Anyway, I'm just going to brush out my hair. My hair's getting pretty long, so it may be hard to see all of it. Oh, my hair used to be so long, and then I like cut it off. But it's gotten really long now, as you can see. And yes, this is my real hair, so. But yeah, we're just gonna get into it. You just need like a curler like this, just a pretty big, like medium-sized barrel. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys a very simple, quick and easy way to curl your hair because I like quick and easy. I'm a teacher during the week, so I have to do quick and easy in order to get to school on time. So this is really quick and easy. This is a little trick that I learned. I split my hair in my part, and then I put one side on this side and one on my right side. And then whatever side I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to start with my left side today. I just tuck my hair behind my ears and I gather it all up, and I actually put it in a ponytail. So just like this. Super simple, just a regular ponytail. And then I take my wand. On the left side of my face, I go away from my face. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my curler. I usually like to just start with the back pieces. And like I said, I stick the iron on top and then I wrap it around going like away. So make sure on your left side you stick it on top, and then I just kind of hold it there. I usually hold it for about 10 seconds. This gets pretty hot. I do leave the ends out of my hair. So it just makes your curls just a little bit more loose. So. Alright, and then I just let it fall. And then it's very curly like this. It's not going to stay like that though. It is going to be while we're doing it, but at the end we'll just kind of, you know, blend it all together, shake it all out. But that's all I do for this side. I just get like small sections, like not even an inch, and then like I said, you put the curler on the top. And then you just wrap it around and then you keep the end out. Alright, and then about 7 to 10 seconds, I would say. Make sure that it's angled down whenever you let go of the hair though, because then your curls can get like twisted in wrong ways. And then I just take it and like throw it behind there so it'll be out of my way. And then I just go on to the next piece, make sure it's on top, wrap it. I just find that putting my hair in this like little side ponytail just makes it really quick and easy instead of like sectioning off my hair. I don't really like it super curly like right at the root anyway, because I don't know, I just like a sleeker, like more smooth root. So this style is, I don't know, this is the quick and easiest way. Like I'm already almost done with this half. Okay, so I finished this side. They're all just in like little ringlet curls. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing. I need another hair tie. And then this side's a little bit thicker, so it's gonna take a little longer, but this literally took like 5 minutes to do. So seriously, it does help when you put it in a ponytail because, I don't know, you can just like keep your hair together and in order more. But yeah, tuck it behind the ear and just put it in like a very low ponytail. And then I just wrap it usually like 3 times, doesn't really matter. Alright, and then tighten that up. And then we go in with this one. I'll start at the back. And I'll take it, and instead of putting it on top this time, I put it underneath. And then I wrap it the same way. Leave my end out. I can't really look at the camera right now without burning myself. But just the same exact way. And then I drop it. Throw it behind my back. Go to the next piece. And then I put it under and wrap it. I put it under every time. If you want more like of a like really loose, like no structure curls, you can do like different directions to each one. But I like doing just on my left side, I'll do it away from my face, and then on the right side, I'll do it to my face. So really, just remember right side, you put the barrel underneath, then wrap. And on the left side, you put the barrel on top. Okay, so now I have both sides curled and finished. They're still up in the little pigtail things that I have. So I'm gonna take down this side that has had time to dry so far. Or not dry, cool. And then I'm gonna take down this side. Okay, so I have my straightener plugged in. This is the Nano Titanium by Babyliss Pro. My favorite straightener of all time. It's just really, really makes your hair really straight, just so soft and so smooth. So it has the heat thing, I put it on 410. I also put my curling iron on 410. But I just take it to the top, to the roots, and just straighten out just a little bit. Always come get these little baby hairs in here. But yeah, I just pretty much go over where I have any like bumpy spots up at the top. I don't know. I mean, that's pretty much all that I do. I just go over any bumpy spots that I have. I'll do the same on this side. Go over that to smooth them out and get the little baby hairs. Then I'll just move it all to the back and then just reach up and make sure I get the roots at the back too, because you don't want people seeing a mess back there either. I just take like any hairspray. This is the Big Sexy Hair. It's my favorite one. I have this little bottle of it, which I honestly don't use hairspray that much just because it just makes my hair feel really stiff. And I don't like to wash my hair every single day. I like to kind of give myself time between washes that makes your hair a little more healthy. But I'm just gonna use a little bit of this spray today. Anyway, that is how I do it. It's very quick and easy. You don't need expensive products or anything like that. It's just super easy, and it just gives you these really pretty curls, and they last for a long time. So I definitely recommend trying it out and putting your hair in the little ponytails, because I think that's really what makes the difference for me. But that is it for this hair tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, and please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about me, follow me on Twitter and all that fun stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching.